Have you ever seen a flight for just $29 and thought, wow, what a deal? Well, here's the truth. That cheap ticket could end up costing you more than flying with a major airline. Today, I'm exposing the secrets of budget airlines in the US. And trust me, they don't want you to know this. Secret 1. The illusion of cheap tickets. Budget airlines advertise the lowest possible price, but that's only for the seat itself, nothing else. No luggage, no snacks, sometimes not even a carry-on bag. Suddenly, that $29 flight turns into $120 once you add the basics. Secret 2. Hidden fees you don't expect. Here's where things get sneaky. Printing your boarding pass at the airport? That could cost you $20 to $30. Want to sit next to your friend or family? Pay a seat selection fee. Even water or a soda on the plane can come with a charge. They're experts at adding small fees that pile up quickly. Secret 3. The time trap budget airlines often use smaller airports that are farther from the city. You might save money on the ticket, but spend more on transportation just to get there. Plus, delays and cancellations are more common, and getting rebooked isn't easy. Secret 4. How to outsmart them. Now here's the good news. If you know the rules, you can still make budget airlines work for you. Pack light, just a backpack that fits under the seat. Check in online and bring your own snacks and water. Be flexible with seating. Don't pay extra unless you have to. By avoiding the traps, that $29 flight can actually stay close to $29. So the truth is this: budget airlines aren't always bad, but they make money by betting you'll fall for their hidden fees. If you're smart, you can beat them at their own game. Before you book your next cheap flight, remember these secrets and save yourself from paying double. Want more hidden travel tips like this? Make sure to subscribe, because I've got more airline secrets coming your way.